it gets hot. That timing, you have not got time to move away from here. Whereas I will be taking well, not taking a break, I'll be swapping over things. He would have many irons in the fire, all at a different stage. So where I am at the moment, simple piece of straight mild steel bar, it's low carbon mild steel, 16mm or 5/8 of an inch diameter. I'm going to heat it up to about 900 degrees Celsius. That, to you metrologists, makes it very malleable. It's dead easy to bend. We'll put the straight bar, just trap it in there, push down with the tongs, and we'll come up with a shape like that. Then we just knock each end over just a little bit, and we form it into a horseshoe. At that time, the temperature is now dropping. It's probably down to about 750 degrees. We drop it back in the fire upside down like that.
Wow.
Because I want to heat up both ends. Because I then flatten the end, what we call scarfing. So we've got one end down like that and the other end up like that. What they would do, your grandfather would do, you'd link it into the previous link of chain. So you've got your chain there, you'd link it through like that. It's shut, the link is what we call it. We close it up, and there it is, that scarf wrapped over. Have to be careful, because you can burn the metal. Like that. Stick it back in the fire and heat it up to 1300 degrees, and I don't have a temperature gauge. 1300 degrees is within the critical range. Mild steel melts at around about 1350. Colour and how the metal is behaving. Yeah. Hold that thought. A few light taps of the hammer, clean it up, thank you very much, job done, finished. Get on with the next one. So.
Did you quench it?
No, don't quench anything. No, they would have been using wrought iron. Wrought iron has more carbon in it, carbon quenched. It's likely to crack it, it will make it brittle. And we still do, I'm a welder fabricator by trade, I never quench anything I make. Mind you, the next guy's not happy when he picks it up. Mind you, it's a bit of entertainment. Just under 900 degrees that. There's our first bend. Got the end over. This is just for when we actually join it together. We just need that bit of a start, tidy it up a little bit. Horseshoe, or for you locals, horseshoe. There you go. That now is certainly 800 degrees. It's lost at least 100 degrees in that time it takes me to get it out of there to there. Back into the fire, heat the ends up. Keep the anvil clean at all times, because every spark is a little flake of metal. Fe3O4, magnetic iron oxide. If we hammer that back into the red bar, the hot bar, it will create a weak spot. We can't afford anything like that. Making this by hand, if it's not spot on, it will break. And when they test it, any link breaks, the whole lot is taken outside as scrap. They cannot replace a link. The whole lot's scrap.
Yeah. Before it's
Flatten the opposing sides. Turn it over because they're opposite. Link it through the previous link and shut the link like that. But more work you do at this stage, tidying it up, the better quality our lid will be. Rolling for chain. With a slight flaw in it.